Hi, my name is Meghna. Currently I'm working as a software developer at BorderFree Technologies, and I did my BTech from PS University, and I majored in electrical and electronics engineering. However, I wanted to change my stream to software as I was more interested in it and wanted to explore the different fields in software development, and that is I also joined the 10x Academy Bootcamp, which taught me all the skills to help me acquire a job in the IT field. Before joining 10x Academy, I tried to do a bit of self-study in order to learn all of the different technologies, and I did not have a clear roadmap. And also there were so many resources online that it just confused me a lot. Therefore, I found 10x Academy, and I saw that it had a really good curriculum which covered all the topics and all the areas and technologies and languages which are required to become a software developer and go into the industry and be industry ready. And also it had a lot of additional facilities apart from the curriculum and the classes, such as the teachers were industry professionals. Also, there were mentor coaches and mock interviews and a lot of coding practices and coding tests, which I believed would help me and give me that extra boost to join the IT industry. So I just did a normal Google search while I was looking for different courses and curriculums and different boot camps which would help me to which would teach me all of the skills required and all of the technologies required to become a software developer. That is when I came across 10x Academy's bootcamp along with a few other bootcamps. And when I weighed the pros and cons and made like a thorough research and comparison of all of the boot camps that I had looked at, I found 10x Academy to be the most suitable one for me, and that is when I decided to apply for the course. The team of 10x Academy made it very easy for me to understand all of the ISA guidelines and the workings of the coaching of the boot camp, and also how the admission is going to take place. We had several video calls and several webinars and meetings with all of the students, in which the team members of 10x Academy would explain each and every point in detail, each and every step and procedure in detail, and also would answer any of the questions or any of the doubts which the students might have with a lot of patience. And that is what helped me to get all of my get everything clear as to how I'm going to join 10x Academy and how is the ISA going to work in my favor. Best part for me was the mock interviews, the individual mock interviews as well as the live mock interviews, because earlier I was very nervous at the thought of sitting for interviews and how am I going. I was nervous of getting nervous in the interviews, and having these mock interviews, the live ones and the individual ones, really helped me to boost my confidence. It also gave me a lot of tips on how to answer questions in interview. It also helped me to build up on my soft skills. It had a plethora of benefits, and which really helped me to find a career and land a job after the bootcamp classes got over. Practice a lot. And it's not just the coding skills that you need to acquire. You need to acquire a lot of soft skills as well. Try to find some mentor, because having a mentor in the initial stages of learning software development is really going to help you to get that extra boost and help you to find a career which really suits you. Practice a lot, and it's not my overall overall experience with Academy has been really great, and I would say that it has been a really good decision on my part to join 10x Academy because of all of the opportunities and all of the experiences that I've had, not only with the lecturers and not only with the classes, but I've got to meet a lot of like-minded people, and I've got to meet a lot of mentors and peers who I could connect with, and it was great to build such connections as well. And the entire the mentors team and the placements team and the operations team has been really helpful and has been really supportive in guiding me from the beginning, from the first day to the 6th month of the bootcamp. And I've had a lot of opportunities to work on some great projects along with the students as well, and interact with the students and the mentors, and which I would not have found if I was doing self-study. So my experience would be a 10 on 10.